day 10 of Board Bro series challenge. So today we'll be learning mastering SQL subqueries and Windows functions. So what exactly we'll be learning today is understanding and implementing SQL subqueries, CTE, that is common table expression, leveraging Windows function for advanced analytics and AI applications, optimizing SQL queries to handle large data set effectively. So in the part 1, we'll be learning SQL subqueries. So power of nested queries. So what exactly is a query? A query is nothing but select star from where. And subquery is having multiple queries inside another query. So let's begin. So now if you want to understand what exactly is a subquery, let's begin directly with an example. So here I've created a table called as employee, and employee has the details like employee ID, name and salary. We have 7 employee with 7 unique IDs and salary of each person or each individual. So now if I have to just run any subquery commands, what I'll do is select name comma salary from employee, where salary is greater than the average salary present in this table. So to do that, what I'll do is just put select avg salary from employee. That is the same table. So now if I run this, you can see that Neha Patel, Arvind Singh and Vikas Reddy are having salary greater than the average of salaries present in this table. So what exactly is the average salary in this table is 62,428. So any person having salary greater than 62,428 rupees will be displayed. So if you want to cross verify, select star from employee, then we can see that only 3 people are having greater salary more than 62k. That is 70, 80 and 90. So this was the power of subquery. If we go to part 2, that is CTE, or common table expression, that is organizing complex queries, we will see what exactly is a CTE. CTE is a temporary result set used to store within a with class, improvising code readability. So for example, let me say with is a keyword that you have to use. So with high salary, that means we'll keep a view called as high salary or a CTE called high salary as select name comma salary from employee, where salary is actually greater than 50,000. So now let's just display this by saying select star from high sal. So now if we run this, it gives an error because here it is salary. So if I run this, here you can see all the people having salary greater than 50k from the table which we have. So this here with is used as a common table expression in this SQL subqueries. So now we have finished part 2 as well. So let's go to part 3, that is Windows function. Windows function is an AI secret weapon for analytics. Windows functions allows calculation across subset of data without collapsing like group by. So we don't need to use anything such as group by. We'll just use the Windows functions, that is row number, rank, dense rank, lag, lead, anything as such, and ensure that we get faster query results. So here what we can do is we can create a simple table that shows the salary by their rank. So first rank will be given to the person having higher salary and the least rank will be given to the person having lower salary. So if we want to do that, what we'll do is select name, comma salary, comma rank. Always remember when you put rank, just put over and then say order by salary. That will give it as descending as sal rank from employee. So now if I run this, it gives us an error. So what exactly is the error? Here we have given salary, that is salary. And if I run this, you can see the salary is given in the descending order, starting from 90,000 to 35,000 being the least. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all unique salaries are present in this table. So we can also create same table or the same ranks to the salaries having same values, which will give a ties here. So you can see rank usually allows ties, but dense rank gives without any gap. So dense rank is used to create any ranking order without any gaps, and rank allows ties. Row numbers assigns a unique row number, and lag or lead. Lag or lead is usually used for accessing previous or next rows. So if I have to show you an example with lag or lead, I'll come to our SQL query, and then what I'll do is I'll just put select name comma sal, that is salary, and say rank. Remember, when you give rank, it has to be over any order by salary descending as sal rank. Instead of giving from here, what I'll do is I'll add another column stating lag salary over. Always remember over is the keyword. Order by salary descending, and say as trev sal from employee. So now if I run this, so here you can see a function that says lag salary over order by salary as previous sal. So if I just remove this comma and run this, here you can see that first you have salary that is in the descending order, you have the rank here, and previous salary that has lag value that says whom are you lagging behind from in the value of the table. Here you can see Arvind Singh is lagging behind 90,000, that is Vikas Reddy, and Neha Patel is lagging behind Arvind Singh with 80,000. So this is the lag functions that you have in Windows functions. So now if I have to go to the fourth chapter, that is optimizing queries for AI pipeline, we'll use indexing, partition, and query optimization, which devise larger data sets for parallel processing and avoids unnecessary joins and subqueries. So if I have to create an index called IDX salary on employee salary, what I'll do is just a simple single line command stating let's give create index IDX sal on employee salary. So now if I run this, you can see that duplicate key name IDX salary exists. So let's name it as IDX1 salary. And if I run this, IDX1 gives an error because 1 cannot be present as a variable. So let's give a random sala as the index and run it. It gives a warning. The warning is because there is already an index present in the name of IDX salary. So I don't have to create again, but if you are creating, just remember that you would have to create the index. So if I want to run the index, so if you want to know exactly what is happening in index, I'll use the simple command that will give us the same result where the salary is greater than 50,000. So if I run this, here you can see that it is created fast because of the index. And if I just put explain why we have taken this, then here you can see it is simple. And you can also see that possible keys is because of IDXSAL. So IDXSAL is the index that we have used in this lecture. So with indexation, we have got the results way faster. And if it is a large data set, then using index will be a boon to the programmers to make sure that their program is running very fast. And the challenge for the day is AI analytic dashboard using SQL. So you have to use subqueries to filter high revenue customers, use Windows functions to analyze monthly revenue sales, and optimize queries for handling large data set. And the output should be something similar to this, and ensure that you finish the challenge of the day for today. Signing off. Thank you, Pod Bros.